We recently worked with James at JMR Build to complete our garage conversion. Previously, the space was one half of a double garage, and we just felt that we didn't need as much storage space as that was providing us.
Here you can see the outside, where James did a lovely job of matching the windows to the rest of the house and tying in the brickwork where the garage door used to be. So it's really quite a seamless extension conversion. And inside, we have the projector mounted on the ceiling, and the light fixtures, and the HDMI routes and electrics to power the projection wall. You can see the barn door and the fireplace inglenook that he created. From the inside, you can see that he did a good job of matching the door to the rest of the interior, and he fitted the lights with his electrician and did a lovely job of matching the floor so that it's reasonably seamless to walk into with this sliding door. There you can see the barn door fitting. We wanted a sliding door so that when the door was open it didn't get in the way of the projection to maximise the space. We have speakers in the ceiling. He worked with his team of electricians, plumbers and a plasterer to make sure we got a good finish. A new radiator piped in and Bluetooth lights that we can control with an app. One thing that was particular that we needed socket fixtures in the ceiling so that we could access the projector easily. So he made it so that we have HDMIs running through the roof and then they can come out in the corner where we have the entertainment unit. And he built this surround for the fire, making sure it was all up to fire regs. We had one existing wall and he made it so that it matched and became more of an inglenook with a fire inset into the other garage that continues to be behind this wall. And one thing that we asked was for the hearth to be level with the floor, and he did a really nice job of doing that for us, so that can be quite nice and snug for those winter movies.
We're really happy with the results. It's a really cosy room, both in the winter and now that we're in the summer. And it seems like it's very well insulated, it's cosy. It really is a natural, smooth transition when we go through the rest of the house. It just makes the house feel very well balanced now.